Share screen dulu. Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving our group the opportunity to present our material. And here I am Nurul Takia as moderator, and I will introduce our group consists of from group A, Miss Asma Nurul Ramadhani, Miss Diah Egi Prameswari, Miss Gita Pratita Saraswati, and me, and next Miss Resti Eka, and Miss Siva Maulida. Next, our material is regular examination. There is conversation, vocabulary list, language focus, health, illness, and disease vocabulary, reading a text, and practice. First, conversation will be present by Miss Resti as Dr. Resti, Miss Siva as Nurse Siva, Miss Dia as Dia, and Miss Gita as Mother's Dia.
Good morning, Nurse Siva. Today you will be my assistant to examine patient in room 102.
Yes, doctor. Nurse Rose just told me few minutes ago. She told me that today we are going to examine Dia with a patient in room 102 who suffers typhus.
Yes, that's right. Have you prepared all to the need medical equipment?
Yes, doctor, I have prepared them.
Okay, good. Let's go to room 102.
Okay, doc.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you feeling better? Is there any progress with your condition?
Yes, doc, I'm feeling better. I just feel a bit weary. Is that normal, doc?
Yes, that's normal. That is not a big problem. Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, doc, I feel a bit nauseous, but it's not as bad as the first time I came here.
Okay, now about your stomach. Does it still hurt?
Not really, doc.
How strong is the pain? Let's say in a 1 to 10 scale. How will you describe the intensity of the pain?
Between 1 and 2, doc.
Is the pain continuous or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
All right. Nasifa, please check her temperature and blood pressure.
Okay, doctor. Finish
Okay,
it.
thank you. Let me check them. After I check your blood pressure is 100, 120 per 80 and your temperature is 36 Celsius, I can diagnosis that your condition is getting better. Your blood pressure is normal and your body temperature is also normal.
Does it mean I can go home today, Doc?
I don't think so. You still need intensive treatment. Let's see, if there is any progress tomorrow. There is possibility that tomorrow you may go home.
All right. Okay, Doc.
But you must have enough sleep and rest.
I will monitor her sleeping and resting hours, Doc. By the way, I want to ask something, Doctor.
Yes, please.
How about the medication, Doc? Should she consume new medication or the previous one?
She still has not consumed the previous one for today. Tomorrow, Nurse Siva will give the medicine that I recommended.
Oh, okay, Doctor. Thank you.
By the way, how about the service her mom? Is there any complaint about that?
I'm very satisfied about the service here. The Dr. Resti and the nurse are very friendly and kind. The facility is also good.
All right, thank you. If you need help, don't hesitate to make the nurse call. I will be ready to help and assist you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, then I need to visit other patient. Hopefully you can recover soon. Good morning.
Thank you very much, Doc. Good morning.
The next material is vocabulary list medical equipment. Will be present by Miss Gita.
Direction. Here is some essential vocabulary for nurse and medical professionals about medical equipment. Berikut adalah beberapa kosakata penting bagi perawat dan profesional medis tentang peralatan medis. ECG mesin atau mesin EKG, vaccine fridge atau kulkas vaksin, blood pressure monitor or pemantau tekanan darah, ear irrigation system atau sistem irigasi telinga, 24-hour ABPM atau ABPM 24 jam, examination lamps atau lampu periksa, Doppler atau Doppler. Ear thermometer atau termometer telinga, surgery couch atau sofa operasi, pulse oximeter atau oximeter denyut nadi, vacuum autoclave atau autoclave vakum. Cryotherapy atau cautery equipment, peralatan krioterapi atau cauter, scales or height measures, timbangan atau ukuran tinggi badan, spirometry and nebulizers atau spirometri dan nebulizer, ophthalmoscope or otoscope set atau set ophthalmoscope atau otoscope.
Next will be present by Miss Dia.
Medical supplies. antiseptic liquid used to sterilize or clean the surface of the skin. Cairan yang digunakan untuk mensterilkan atau membersihkan permukaan kulit. Bandage, a cloth covering that is placed over a wound to prevent bleeding, healing, and infection. Kain penutup yang menutup luka untuk mencegah pendarahan, pembengkakan, dan infeksi. Bandage scissor, tool used to cut bandage, alat yang digunakan untuk memotong perban. Blood pressure monitor, a tool that measure the force of blood flow throughout a person body. Alat yang mengukur kekuatan aliran darah melalui tubuh seseorang. Dressing, protective covering that is placed over a wound, penutup pelindung yang dipasang di atas luka. Elastic tape, a thin roll, a stretchy material that is sticky on one side. Gulungan tipis, bahan meral yang lengket di satu sisi. Eye chart, a poster, a letter, word, and number combination of various size used to test a person's eyesight. Poster kombinasi huruf, kata, dan angka berbagai ukuran digunakan untuk menguji penglihatan seseorang. Forceps, instrument used during operation and medical produce, assist a doctor is in pulling, holding, and retrieving. Instrumen yang digunakan selama operasi dan prosedur medis membantu dokter dalam menarik, memegang, dan mengambil. Gauze, thin and knitted, a material used for dressing wound. Bahan tipis dan terjaring yang digunakan untuk membalut luka.
Next will be present by Miss Siva.
Medical supplies, hypodermic needle, sharp-pointed metal piece that pricks the skin, attached to a syringe used for taking blood or administering medicine. Yaitu sepotong logam kuncing tajam yang menusuk kulit, ditempelkan pada jarum suntik, digunakan untuk mengambil darah atau memberikan obat. UV bag, the pouch that contains liquid to be pumped into a patient body, yaitu kantong yang berisi cairan untuk dipompa ke dalam tubuh pasien. Medicine cup, small plastic measuring cup, gelas ukur plastik kecil. Microscope, equipment that makes small things appear larger than they are, peralatan yang membuat benda kecil tampak lebih besar dari yang sebenarnya. Otoscope, a device used for looking into a patient's ears, alat yang digunakan untuk melihat ke dalam telinga pasien. Oxygen mask, equipment that fits over the nose and mouth and supplies oxygen, peralatan yang dipasang di hidung dan mulut serta perlengkapannya oksigen. Privacy screen, an object that is used to separate the doctor and patient from other in an open room, suatu benda yang bisa digunakan untuk memisahkan dokter dan pasien dari orang lain dalam suatu ruangan. Scales, a device that measure a person weight, alat yang mengukur berat badan seseorang. Stethoscope, equipment for listening to a person heart and lungs, peralatan untuk mendengarkan jantung dan paru-paru. Shearing, a calendar shape piece that attached to a needle and can be filled with liquid, sepotong berbentuk silinder yang menempel pada jarum yang dapat diisi cairan.
Table and headrest paper that is placed on a examining table or headrest to prevent the spread of germs. Kertas yang diletakkan di atas meja periksa atau sandaran kepala untuk mencegah penyebaran kuman. Test tube, glass cylinder that is filled with blood or other liquid and can be kept and placed in storage area, silinder kaca yang berisi darah atau cairan lain dan dapat ditutup serta ditempatkan di tempat penyimpanan. Thermometer, an instrument used to check a person body temperature, alat yang digunakan untuk memeriksakan suhu tubuh seseorang. Vial, a small bottle or container used for storing liquid, botol atau wadah kecil yang digunakan untuk menyimpan cairan.
The next material is language focus, nominal first verbal sentence, and will be present by Miss Asmagen.
In terms of the predicate, English can be divided into two groups, verbal sentences and nominal sentences. One, verbal sentences. Verbal sentences is sentences where the predicate is verb. Example, she likes playing chess. He always studies hard every day. I drank a cup of tea this morning. Positive verbal sentences. These sentences is also called affirmative sentences. Example, we go to school by motorcycle every day. I went to school by bus every day yesterday. I have 3 cute kittens. Negative verbal sentences. These sentences is indicated by the use of do or does, did not before the verb. Before the verb. Example, I don't like going to school by bus. I didn't go anywhere last week. She doesn't like coffee. Interrogative verbal sentences. These sentences is also called question sentences. It is indicated by the use of do or does or did at the beginning of sentences and is indication by use of question mark at the end of sentences. Example, do you like cooking? Does she go to school by bus every day? Did you go somewhere this weekend? Nominal sentences. Nominal sentences is sentences that the predicated is not a verb. Example, he or she or it, to be, is or was past sentences. I, to be, am or was past sentences. They or we or you, to be, are or were past sentences. Positive nominal sentences. Example, the scenery is beautiful. I'm a nurse in a big hospital. He was so sad after hearing that news. Negative nominal sentences. Example, the use of not after to be. Example, he is not a junior high school student. I am not sure they will come here today. He was not a smart student when he was elementary school. Interrogative nominal sentences. Is she a smart student? Are you a nurse in hospital? Are you sure about what you are talking about?
The next material is reading a text, will be present by Miss Resti.
Cancer. Cancer is class of disease characterized by out of control cells growth. There are over 100 different types of cancer, and each the classified by the types of the type of the cell that is initial affect. Cancer harm the body when damaged cell divide uncontrollably to form lumps or mass of tissue called tumor, except in the case of the leukemia, where cancer prohibits normal blood function by abnormal cell division in the bloodstream. Tumor can grow and interfere with the digestive, nervous, and circulatory system, and they can release hormones that all their body function. tumor that stay in one spot and demonstrate limited growth are generally considered to be benign. Cancer symptoms are quite varied and they depend on where the cancer is located, where it has spread, and how big the tumor is. Some cancer can be felt or seen.
Next will be present by Miss Gita.
Through the skin, a lump on the breast or testicle can be an indicator of cancer in those locations. Skin cancer or melanoma is often noted by a change in a wart or mole on the skin. Some oral cancers present with patch inside the mouth or white spot on the tongue. Other cancers have some symptoms that are less physically apparent. Some brain tumors tend to present symptoms early in the disease as they affect important cognitive function. Pancreas cancer are usually too small to cause symptoms until they cause pain by pushing against nearby nerves or interfere with the liver function to cause a yellowing on the skin and eyes called jaundice. Symptoms also can be created as a tumor grows and pushed against organs and blood vessels. Early detector of cancer can greatly improve the odds of successful treatment and survival. Physicians use information from symptoms and several other procedures to diagnose cancer. Imaging techniques such as X-ray, CT scan, MRI scan, PET scan, and ultrasound scan are used regularly in order to detect where a tumor is located and what organs may be affected by it. Doctors may also conduct an endoscopy, which is a procedure that uses a thin tube with a camera and light at one end to look for abnormalities inside the body.
Yes, next will be present by Miss Siva.
Kanker. Kanker adalah sekelompok penyakit yang ditandai dengan pertumbuhan sel yang tidak terkendali. Ada lebih dari 100 jenis kanker dan masing-masing diklasifikasikan berdasarkan jenis sel yang pertama kali terkena. Kanker membahayakan tubuh ketika sel-sel yang rusak membelah secara tidak terkendali untuk membentuk benjolan atau massa jaringan yang disebut tumor. Kecuali dalam kasus leukemia di mana kanker menghalangi fungsi darah normal karena pembelahan sel yang tidak normal dalam aliran darah. Tumor dapat tumbuh dan mengganggu sistem pencernaan, saraf, dan peredaran darah, serta dapat melepaskan hormon yang mengubah fungsi tubuh. Tumor yang menetap di satu tempat dan terlihat pertumbuhan terbatas umumnya dianggap jinak. Gejala kanker cukup bervariasi dan bergantung pada lokasi kanker, penyebarannya, dan seberapa besar tumornya. Beberapa jenis kanker dapat dirasakan atau dilihat.
Next will be present by Miss Dia.
Melalui kulit, benjolan di payudara atau testis dapat menjadi indikator kanker di lokasi tersebut. Kanker kulit atau melanoma seringkali ditandai dengan adanya perubahan pada kutil atau tai lalat di kulit. Beberapa kanker mulut menunjukkan bercak putih di dalam mulut dan bintik putih di lidah. Kanker lain memiliki gejala yang kurang terlihat secara fisik. Beberapa tumor otak cenderung menunjukkan gejala pada awal penyakit karena mempengaruhi fungsi kognitif yang penting. Kanker pankreas biasanya berukuran terlalu kecil untuk menimbulkan gejala hingga menimbulkan rasa sakit karena menekan saraf di dekatnya atau mengganggu fungsi hati hingga menyebabkan kulit atau mata yang disebut penyakit pening. Gejala juga dapat muncul saat tumor tumbuh dan menekan organ dan pembuluh darah. Deteksi dini kanker dapat sangat meningkatkan peluang keberhasilan pengobatan dan kelangsungan hidup. Dokter menggunakan informasi dari gejala dan beberapa prosedur lain untuk mendiagnosis kanker. Teknik pencitraan seperti sinar X, CT scan, MRI scan, PET, dan USG digunakan secara teratur untuk mendeteksi lokasi tumor dan organ dan apa yang mungkin terkena dampaknya. Dokter juga mungkin melakukan endoskopi, yaitu prosedur yang menggunakan tabung tipis dengan kamera dan lampu di salah satu ujungnya untuk mencari kelainan dalam tubuh.
Next will be present by Miss Asma.
Vocabulary. Lumps, gumpalan atau bengkak pada leher. Tissue, jaringan. Digestive, pencernaan yang berkaitan dengan pencernaan. Nerve, gugup atau gelisah. Circulatory system, sistem peredaran darah. Benign, lunak atau tidak berbahaya. Testicle, buah, pelir atau biji kemaluan. Wart, kulit. Mole, tai lalat. Patches, potongan kecil di bagian mata.
And the next material is health, illness, and disease vocabulary. Next will be present by Miss Resti.
One, pain, feeling your body when you have been hurt or when you're ill. 6, example, she felt a strong pain in her neck and shoulder. She will take the medicine to relieve the pain. 2, age, continuous pain, feel a continuous pain. Example, my mother can't sleep because her headache so bad. I don't think I go with you the supermarket. I have a terrible headache. 3, ill, suffering from an illness or disease, not feeling well. 6, sick. Example, my older sister is ill in Bunda Hospital. The people started to feel ill and hover after the dinner. 4, sick, physical or mentally ill, waiting to vomit. Example, I feel very sick. I don't think I go to campus today. Don't forget to take the vitamin unless you want to get sick. 5, sore, painful, and often red because of infection or because a muscle has been used too much. Example, I will eat porridge since I have a sore throat. His feet were sore after the exercise. Illness, the state of being physically or mentally ill. Example, my lecturer missed a lot of class stroke illness last month. I don't think she got a serious illness.
Next will be present by Miss Gita.
7, disease. Serious illness often caused by infection. Example, the spread of the disease should be stopped soon. Her father has a lung disease. 8, heal. Become healthy again, make somebody healthy again, make somebody feel happy again. Example, 1, it will take a long time to heal the scratch. 2, the cake you made really healed me. 7, 8, 9, cure. Make somebody or something healthy again. After an illness, make an illness go away. Example, 1, I'm sure that the doctor will be able to cure my disease. 2, the medicine is recommended to cure my headache. 10, cure. Medicine or medical treatment that cures an illness. The act of curing, the process of being cured. Example, 1, the cure. 2, she should be taken to hospital for the cure. 11, treat. give medical care or attention to somebody or something, deal with something or somebody. Example, 1. I was treated for typhus. 2. The illness is usually treated with antibiotic. 12. Treatment. The way or process of curing an illness or injury or making somebody look and feel good. The way of dealing with something or somebody. Example, 1. Various treatments have been applied by the doctor. 2. My sister goes to beauty center to have face treatments every month.
Next will be present by Miss Siva.
30. Diagnose. Define what an illness or the cause of a problem is. Example, 1. The blood test can be used to diagnose all kind of disease. 2. He was diagnosed cancer in her early childhood. For 14. A medical description of an illness or condition. Example 1. My family want to know the detail of the diagnosis. 2. I am afraid of hearing the diagnosis of my disease. 15. Harm done to the body, for example, in an accident. Example, 1. She got serious injuries after the accident. 2. The injuries are being treated by the nurse. 16. Harm somebody on yourself physically, especially in accident. Receive suffer an injury. Example, 1. He injured his finger when he was cutting the vegetable. 2. Two people were seriously injured in the accident. 17. An injury to part of the body, especially one in which a wound is made in the skin. Example, 1. He got the wounds from the accident last month. 2. He was taken to the hospital because his wound seemed so serious. 18. Bruise, a blue, brown, or purple mark on the skin after somebody has fallen. Example 1. The bruises we had after the match have gone. 2. He has a bruise over his eye.
Next will be present by Miss Dia.
19. Stretch. Rub your skin with your nails, usually because it's itching, a mark, or a smile cut or injury made a stretching. Example 1. The child stretched its itchy skin. 2. She had a long stretch after the accident. 20. Infection, illness caused by bacteria or a virus. The act or a process of causing or getting a disease. Example, the infection will get worse if you do not take care of it well. 2. His father died because of blood infection. 20. Inflammation, a condition when a part of the body becomes red, sore, and swollen because of infection or injury. Example 1. The inflammation has caused trouble for me. 2. The child is crying because of her inflammation. 22. Symptom, a change in your body or mind that show that you are not healthy. Example, you should tell the doctor ST about the symptom. 2. Depression can cause physical symptom. 23, temperature. The measure of how hot your body is. Example 1. He had a high temperature last night. 2. The nurse is checking his temperature. 24. Fever. A medical condition is which someone has a temperature that is higher than normal. A particular type is a disease with high temperature. Example, the doctor Resti gave this to reduce my fever. 2. My cousin was diagnosed with a scarlet fever.
Next will be present by Miss Asma.
25. Cold is illness affecting the nose and or throat, making you cough and or sneeze. Example, I think I caught a cold because of the rain last night. She cannot come to school because she caught a cold. 26. Flu, a very bad cold, an infectious disease with fever, pain, and weakness. Example, 1. Don't come near me. I have a flu. 2. The flu has been spread out. 27. Temperature, the measurement of how hot kayaknya slide-nya next, Kak. Nah, 27. Vomit, discharge stomach contents through the mouth. Example, the children vomited soon after they ate the meal. I vomit after getting up every morning. 28. Medicine, a substance that you drink or swallow so as to cure an illness. Example, have you taken your medicine this morning? The doctor prescribed 2 kinds of medicine for me. 29. Antibiotics, medicine that kill bacteria and cure infection. Example, my flu has went away after I took the antibiotics. Don't forget to take the antibiotic after the meal. 30. Painkiller, kind of medicine that takes away some or all of the discomfort of an illness or injury. Example, I took 2 painkillers because I got a terrible headache last night. My mother has thrown away my painkillers.
Next will be present by Miss Resti.
31. Blood pressure, the rate which blood flow through the body. Example, I think my blood pressure is too low. The nurse is checking my mother's blood pressure. 32. Pulse, the regular beat of the blood as it descends around the body. Example, the doctor said that I have a weak pulse. The doctor started the examination by checking my pulse. 33. Patient, a person 33, a person staying in a hospital or medical facility. Example, the patient in room 102 suffer lung damage. There were so many patients waiting to consult the doctor that I finally went home. 34, surgery, a place where a doctor or dentist sees patient medical treatment of injury or disease involving cutting open somebody's body. Example, the surgery went well. I don't want to have a surgery.
Next will be present by Miss Gita.
Operation, cutting open a part of somebody's body in order to remove or cure a part, Example 1, the operation was led by a senior surgeon. 2, the operation is scheduled tomorrow. 36, operating theater. A room in a hospital used for medical operation. Example 1, the patient died on the way to the operating theater. 2, she felt nervous as she looked around the operating theater. Chemist, shop. A shop where medicine is sold. Example 1, the doctor suggests to go to the chemist for the medicine right after the surgery. 2, the chemist is so far away from my house. 38, prescription. An official piece of paper filled out by a doctor with which you can get a medicine from a chemist shop. Example, the doctor is signing the prescription for my mom. 2, I will keep this prescription. I may need it later.
The next material is practice exercise on nominal first verbal sentence. This direction completes the sentence will in the blank using opportunate verb or to be. 1. The scenery blank is beautiful. 2. She not like reading sci-fi novel. 3. Felice and John go to Bali last month. 4. My brother and sister not live in Bandung. 5. John and Mary smart student. 6. I blank could cook breakfast every morning. 7. They curious about the result of the test. 8. Dean lazy, he never studies at night. 9. She buy a fancy dress yesterday. 10. My father not ready newspaper every morning. 11. Nora diligent, she studies every night. 12. I not like drinking coffee. 13. The teacher not come to the class yesterday. 14. My little sister has 3 kittens. They're cute. 15. Smith moved to Semarang few days ago. Practice. Number 1, how to increase the possibility of successful treatment of cancer. 2, according to the text, what is jaundice? 3, how to detect abnormalities inside the body. 4, according to the text, how to increase the possibility of successful treatment of cancer. 5, according the text, what is endoscopy? 6, in which paragraph does the author mention the symptoms of skin cancer? And that last. Thank you. And this is my closing from our group. Gitu. Iya, Bu.
Ah,